QOC Innovations is excited to now offer outsourced accounting support for your business. From day-to-day bookkeeping, help improving financial processes, or stronger visibility into business performance, QOC brings experience across both accounting and operations, providing full support or working as an extension of your existing finance team.
A number of customers asked, how do I find a new accountant? How do I find somebody who understands Odoo and understands my business? Whether it's just for the first 6 months after go live or it's an extended period of time, we now have a dedicated team that's positioned to provide month-end, bank reconciliation, all those accounting functions that a business really relies on.
Ultimately, our clients want a set of reliable books so they can understand their vendor and customer relationships. They want to understand cash flow, and they want to understand these different metrics so they can optimize their business and make the right decisions. We have really bright individuals. We have individuals that know Odoo, and they understand the accounting world, they understand manufacturing, they understand projects, and are really good collaborators.
We bring over 450 years of manufacturing experience, and that experience comes across the sector of people that have worked on the shop floor, people that have been in purchasing, people that have been in accounting. And we're kind of combining the best of accounting and the best of manufacturing to solve people's problems.
If your team has been considering additional support around your accounting operations within Odoo or QuickBooks, we welcome the opportunity to connect and learn more about your business.